Tim, today we got a 2008 Chevy Silverado. This is a, I believe it's 1500. Nice truck. Customer says battery light's on. And it's putting out about 10 volts. So I will be doing an alternator on here. All right. This is a 4.8. First thing you want to do, of course, undo the battery. And then we're going to be taking off the belt, which will be a 15 right under here. So really all you got to take off, we'll take off this little plastic cover here. It just pops off, pulls off. We'll pull that off and just kind of set it out of the way. Really, you got to pull it all the way off. Of course, you got your lines here. We'll take them off of the back. Go ahead and take your belt off right there, which if you don't have this, it's just a 15. Okay, you're just gonna bend down on it like that. Take your belt off. Just take it off the alternator. Be the easiest part. I'll leave it on the rest of it if you don't want to have to mess with it. That's what I do. I just take it off the alternator right there and kind of leave it just like that. So you ain't gonna mess with it a whole bunch. And let's see here. I'm gonna take this off here like that. We can leave this on here until we, that's a 10 millimeter there. Take off your line. Plug in right there off. And you got your 2 bolts right here. There will be a 15. Pull that off on the back. That off. You might end up having to get you like a fry. Just kind of go with it like that. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a belt on this one too. That's the belt number, and this is the alternator number. Oh, of course, I always line them up, make sure they're right. This one's identical. Alright, make sure you got your routing all right here. If you can see that, it goes up underneath there, on the top there, around there, and I leave my thing on here like this. So, just kind of hold it down. You got to make sure it don't hit that little lip right there on the bottom when you got it up. Then just kind of let everything back up. That should be it. Make sure you get it on everywhere. Down here, and here, over there, underneath here. Then we'll hook the battery back up and check the charging system. Alright, it's charging now. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.